Hi everyone, this video is for 6th grade lesson 38 for our Elevate group. Now, for the past 2 days, we have been working on decimal operations. Students now know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. This lesson for this day focuses on all 4 operations. So you may choose 4 questions, one of each operation, to kind of start students off with a hook. Maybe they can work with a partner and see what they already know. Because you have already taught each of these operations. You may also say, yes, I did teach each of these operations, but my students really need more at-bats on multiplication, so we're gonna focus on multiplication. Or our students really struggled with division, so that's what my focus is going to be for this particular lesson, okay? So I'm not going to go into too many details about how to do this lesson. If you need to understand, please go back to lessons 36 and lessons 37 to see how to solve these decimal operation questions. What I will say is that for this lesson, if you want or if you must model because your students struggled with a specific operation, I would go ahead and model letter A for addition. On page 16, model letter A for multiplication. Model letter B on page 15 for subtraction. And then a division question, you can model letter B for division, okay? Now, there are a bunch of questions that students will be working on for this lesson, so feel free to choose which questions will apply to your students based on the data that you have for your particular group for the past 2 days. And then, of course, there's a multiplication sheet at the back if students are struggling with the multiplication and the division portion. Oh, and it is also very important to note that there is no long division for this lesson.